Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe we're making drunken noodles, also known as spicy noodles. So this is perfect for if you have a hangover or if you like spicy foods. And as usual, it's going to be super easy to put together. So we're going to be starting this recipe by making our sauce. And for this I'm using 2 tablespoons of pepper soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. In goes a sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of that. And of course all of the measurements can be found in the description box. In goes oyster sauce, and if you don't want to use oyster sauce and you want to keep it vegan/vegetarian, use a stir-fry vegetarian sauce. Also goes in some honey. You can switch out the honey for other sweetener. And my seasoning sauce. The seasoning sauce is optional if you cannot find it. In goes some chicken bouillon powder. And white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use some black pepper, but I prefer using white pepper for this. Give that a good mix and go ahead and set it aside. In a wok, I'm adding in oil. And I'm going in with ginger and garlic before the wok is actually hot, because I want the ginger and the garlic to start to get fragrant without burning. So I always add that in first and it will start to sizzle in a little. So once it starts to sizzle, we're going to go in with onions, scallions and pimento peppers. And we're going to let that cook for a few seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my bell pepper. You can use colored, you can use green, use whatever you have on hand. And toss that. And now I'm going to add in shrimp. Now if you wanted to add chicken or fried tofu to this, you can, or you can omit the meat in all and keep it vegan/vegetarian. Now I'm adding in my sliced mushrooms. If you were keeping this vegetarian, you would add extra mushrooms to replace the shrimp. So let that cook for about 20 seconds and then add in your chili peppers or your scotch bonnet peppers, and this is where the spiciness comes in and where you're going to get that heat. Now I'm just going to let that cook, and in the meantime let me just prepare the rice sticks. Now these are rice noodles and they take just about 10 seconds to cook. As soon as you put them in, you're just going to give it a mix, and this is what it would look like. And drain. You don't want to overcook these because they can get very soft very quickly. Add it to your cooked veggies and shrimp. Add on half of the sauce. I'm keeping half of the sauce for another recipe, but you can add all of the sauce if you wanted to. So add how much sauce you would like. So you can also add a scrambled egg to this. And once you've mixed it in and it's cooked for about a minute, it's done. You don't want to overcook your noodles. And all you have to do now is plate. And here you have it. My recipe and my version for drunken noodles. If you guys enjoyed today's recipe, comment down below and let me know. If you make it, tag me on Instagram, Trini Cooking with Natasha. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.